Welcome back. Matt Horton with CTCU is joining us this morning. Thank you so much for being here today.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So tell me a little bit about CTCU, where you guys are located.
Okay, well, we are located on the Loop right by Red Lobster. We've been there since the late 60s, early 70s, but we've been in Tyler since 1953.
All right. So why are you guys different from other banks?
Okay, so well, number one, we are a credit union. So the big difference between credit unions and banks in that we offer pretty much the same products and services: checking account, savings account, loans, and everything else. But whereas banks are owned by shareholders that receive a portion of the profit, credit unions are actually owned by the members who actually have accounts with the credit union. So they are actually our owners. So any additional profits, that's a not-for-profit financial institution. So any additional profits, they actually go back to the members, either in terms of dividends, higher yields on certificates, or lower rates on loans. That's one of the biggest differences.
So how does that benefit your customers then?
So not customers, members.
I was going to say members.
Yes.
I was like, so not bankies?
No, we don't consider them customers, because customers kind of just applies that they have an account number and they come in and they use us. So we have members, we have owners of the credit union. So it really is like a family, like a community.
Yeah.
So yeah, the biggest difference is that they can come in and feel like they're actually a part of something rather than just being in a bank. So we really take pride in knowing our members. You know, I was talking to somebody last week, actually came to a focus group that we put on to learn more about what our members want from their credit union, and one of them said they've been with one of these huge banks, you know, for years and years and years, and there was something that they did not charge to their account, and they couldn't hardly get a hold of anybody to actually fix the situation.
The hold music and all that.
Well, and it was just because now the local bank that they dealt with in that city knew them when they walked in, but the big institution knew them only as a number. And we try to really focus a lot more on our members than just having a transactional relationship with a customer.
Interesting. So how would you say you guys are involved with the community then?
So all credit unions that I've been around have been really involved with the community in multiple ways, but being founded by teachers for teachers, even though we are a community credit union, about 90% of what we give back to the community goes towards education. It goes to school districts. We are involved in financial education and financial reality for high schools, middle schools, colleges. So that's where our community service really comes on board.
So a lot of unique factors there, but at the end of the day, why should somebody choose a credit union?
Because we know you. Because we know our members, we really care about you, and and not all banks are like this, but we don't have shareholders that are looking out for profits. We are invested in the members of our credit union, because you know what, if they are not happy with us, they can leave, and that hurts us as a credit union.
Yeah, so where can people learn more information about CTCU?
Yeah. You can go on coopteachers.com. And just look out there. You can come into our branch, like I said, right by Red Lobster. It's conveniently located in Tyler, and find out more about us anytime you want.
There you go. Get some rolls and then swing on in.
Absolutely. There you go.
All right. Thank you so much for being here today, Matt. Coming up after the break.